to Dad video. Today we're going to do some science activity. We got this box and it helps you to see really near like bacteria or something else like leaf, anything. So if you got a kit like this, you can use there's a little microscope. Some people call it's a microscope. It can help you really near. So first we gotta get this out. We can do this. Here is it. And go in this box and you can find some little stickers in it. And then place the stickers in here and you can put anything like a leaf or some of the cough you had, anything. So I'm going to take this out a little bit out. Okay. So we're going to look at this one first for example. So if you want to put it, you can put it really near here. So here's it. So if you want to do which one, if you want to do small, you can do small. See, you can see it really near here. So first, we're going to turn it on. We can, if you have the charger at home, you can use a charger.
Battery?
Yeah, you can use the battery. Wow, it's amazing. That was amazing. So once you see, you can take this out. You can pull this too, just in case. You can put. And you can have this leaf. Take, and then you can use this. You can use a tiny one or you can use a big one. I'm going to use a little big one because I want to really see it close. I just see green, so you know that I think that there's nothing. I can see something. I see something. It's me. I think it's getting cold. So you can put this back. So we're going to learn some skills. We can use this one and then we can collect it. We can collect it and then put it in this little container, and we can see what happened to the leaves for a few days. That's activity. So now you can place everything back. And bye guys, please subscribe my video. Bye bye.